Hello and welcome, thank you for joining me. Are you having troubles finding a good travel size pillow? Well, I have a pillow for you. Well, right here, I have a travel size pillow that could be good for you, that has good support and comfort from Sidney Sleep. Alright, here we go. This is what the pillow looks like after it has been expanded. The curved shape contours your neck and body, ensuring proper alignment and providing support. The outer cover is super soft and breathable. Not only that, the bamboo cover does not trap heat. This pillow is also antibacterial and hypoallergenic. This inner lining is made from 100% premium polyester, and it's breathable and it does not trap heat. This opening here is where you are able to adjust your pillow to suit your sleep, to fill or to remove the memory foam as to your preference. This mini travel size pillow is not only good for back and side sleepers, it's also good for a knee pillow, neck pillow, back pillow. This is a great travel size pillow. Take it wherever you need it. It's good for going camping or even traveling on a plane.